Hi, I'm Kelly with Fortman Law. If you are considering purchasing a franchise, one of the most important things you can do is contact a professional franchisee attorney prior to signing the agreement. A franchise purchase is a very large, long-term investment and should only be entered into with extreme caution and an abundance of knowledge. As a potential franchisee, it is important that you contact a franchisee attorney, not a franchisor attorney, to assist you in this process. A franchisor attorney focuses on the interests of the franchise corporation itself, while the franchisee attorney focuses on protecting you. At Fortman Law, we provide a wide variety of services for potential franchisees like yourself. These services include franchise agreement review and explanation, franchise disclosure document review and explanation, negotiations with your franchisor, assistance with your due diligence process, and general advice pertaining to franchises. These services start at $300 and increase depending on the quantity and types of services you choose to receive. Paying an attorney for services such as these may save you thousands of dollars and many headaches. Call us at Fortman Law for a free consultation. We can help.